All right, today I have a Lincoln Navigator and I'm going to show you how to open the hood of this particular Lincoln Navigator. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm behind the steering wheel of my Lincoln Navigator. In order to open up the hood, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn the vehicle off. Okay, the vehicle is in park. I'm going to go ahead and turn the vehicle off. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to look underneath the seat, or not under the seat, but where the feet are. Okay, vehicle in park. All right, and you'll see this right here. This right here is how you pop the hood, but it's not necessarily how you completely open the hood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, pull it like that, heard the pop, and then I'm going to exit the vehicle. And I'm going to walk around to the front of it, and then walk around to the front of the vehicle, and see this right here. I'm going to get right here to the front of the vehicle. I'm going to look under here, and you'll see that there is a lever somewhere, but you have to find it, okay? So lever's right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger, going to push it that way to the left, and then raise it, and all of a sudden the hood raises up on the Lincoln Navigator. So that's how you open the hood on the Lincoln Navigator. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.